Well, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a fan. It's that time of the year. You want to kind of get this ready. Some people generally have problems trying to get these open, and it's not that difficult. This particular fan has some little tabs that you just kind of pull up on. There's generally going to be one or two or three. This one actually has three of them. So you just kind of pull those open like that. And then there's going to be like a little lip that it kind of falls into. You're going to set that off to the side, but you can see all the dirt that we have in there. And before we clean this, I want to show you, this is where people get in trouble with. This is reverse thread. So when you take this off, you want to go counterclockwise. Instead of lefty, loosey, righty, tighty, it's just the opposite on a lot of these fans. Just kind of take that off like that. And there you go. Now sometimes these don't just pull off, so you might have to take a hammer and just kind of tap on that ever so slightly, and that will pull right off. Kind of pulled it off, and there it is. You got the fan. So generally what I would do with this is I would take it out in my shop and I would take the air compressor and I would blow this all out. But not everybody has that ability to do that. So a paintbrush works very well at cleaning this. Just going to clean it all out like that. There's a nut in the middle. If you put that nut off, you can remove it even further. Okay, if you want to get in behind there, clean that all off with a paintbrush. Okay, again, if I had this in my shop, I would just kind of use the air hose, but this paintbrush works really well. And if you do it outside, you're going to keep the dust outside as well. Do the same thing in here. Again, blow some air in there. I'm just going to blow in there. You want to get all that dust out of there as much as possible. Just like that. Okay? Nice dry paintbrush. Nice dry paintbrush. Now on the fan, as you can see how dirty that is. Just do the same thing. Just brush that all off. All right? Brush that off. And I may just step outside real quick just to brush this off because it is starting to get a little dusty on this. So I'm going to keep brushing this off and I'll come back to it. Same thing with the outer part of it. You can see, just brush it all off and it'll clean right up. So let me go brush this off outside and we'll come right back. All right, well there it is. Came out really nice. I did not bother with the compressor because I just want to show you that you can do this without the compressor itself. So it looks really clean. Same thing with the blade itself. Looks really good. And I just kind of brush the fan off. This part here, again, nice and clean. Came out really well. Now if you want to really kind of take it to the next step, you can take like a Clorox wipe or any kind of wipe and just kind of wipe that fan down a little bit more. Because you want this to be very efficient. You want the wind, the air to go through that very efficiently. And the smoother the surface, the better off you're gonna get better results. Look at that, almost like brand new. It's amazing how many of these I will see on the side of the road that people throw away. They just don't understand this. If you clean it, it's gonna act just like a brand new fan. Other than if the motor is bad. Look at that. Looks really good. Looks really good. I'm even going to wipe this down a little bit. Let's clean that sucker right up. Now the paintbrush did probably a better job than I thought it would do. Again, I'm so used to just taking it out and grabbing the air. Oh yeah, that looks fantastic. Wipe the rest of the unit down. All right, let's go ahead and put her all back together. Go ahead and put our fan back on. That is keyed. That will only go on in one direction. All right, go like that. Put the nut back on, and remember it's reverse thread, so you're going to be turning it left rather than right to tighten it up. There we go. We line up the face. Hit our clips. Kind of line up the wording there so it looks better. There we go. Clip those. And there. Let's turn her on. And there she is. Oh yeah. Now beforehand, I mean, there wasn't a whole lot of difference, but there was a significant difference as far as how much air was going through there. Look at that, all ready for the summer summer weather. Well, thanks an awful lot for watching. I hope this helps you with cleaning your fan, and stay tuned for the next one.